Looking for the best AirPods, earbuds but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best AirPods, earbuds based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. This ESR case cover is a must-have for anyone with AirPods Pro. Not only is it compatible with the latest models, but it also features MagSafe technology for seamless wireless charging. The hybrid drop protection also gives you peace of mind, knowing your charging case is well protected and looking brand new. Number 4. If you're looking for a simple way to upgrade your AirPods experience, these replacement ear tips are an excellent choice. With 2 noise reduction holes and a dust guard screen, they provide a snug fit and excellent sound quality. Plus, they come with a portable storage box and 3 different sizes to suit your needs. Number 3. These wireless earbuds boast fast and stable connections, thanks to their advanced Bluetooth 5.4 technology. With a 30% faster transmission speed and a 15-meter connection distance, you can move freely without worrying about your music cutting out. Plus, the ENC noise reduction technology and high-quality drivers make for an immersive listening experience. Number 2. The Pixel Buds Pro 2 are designed to be incredibly comfortable, with a twist-to-adjust fit that ensures a secure seal. Built for Gemini users, these earbuds deliver premium sound and advanced noise cancellation. Whether you're working out or just need a distraction from the world around you, the Pixel Buds Pro 2 are a great choice. Number 1. These ear hooks are super versatile, compatible with many AirPods Pro models. The adjustable design prevents them from falling out, making them perfect for workouts or any activity that gets you moving. If you're in the market for a reliable and easy-to-use ear hook that fits your AirPods, these are a great option. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.